Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. If you want to team up, play ranked, or simply connect with other friends, adding friends in Mobile Legends is quick and easy. First of all, launch open Mobile Legends Bang Bang app on your device and wait for the home screen to load completely. From the home screen, go ahead and tap on the Friends button at the bottom right corner where it shows you a plus button with a human icon. Now, this will take you to Add Friends tab. You can enter a name of your friend or their ID in the search box at the top and then search. From the search results, find the friend you want to add and tap on their name. Now click on the little plus button with a human icon in it in the pop-up. You will then be able to follow the person or add them as a friend. You can also go ahead and follow someone or add them from the suggestion list. Simply tap the follow button to add them as a friend on Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Now once they accept your follow or friend request, you'll be able to see them inside your friend list. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.